Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Researcher Daily. I'm William Andy, and I am absolutely thrilled you're joining me today. Elementary, welcome to Day 5 of our epic 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Each day, we master one essential real-life situation, and today is a delicious one, feeling confident with food and ordering. Picture this. You walk into a restaurant. The waiter approaches with a warm smile, and suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. You're hungry. You know what you want, but the words just won't come out. So you end up pointing at the menu like you're playing charades. Or worse, you order the same basic thing every single time because it's the only phrase you remember. Sound familiar? Comment menu freeze below if you've ever been there. Maybe you've been in a drive-thru and they ask a couple for here to go. And you freeze because you only practiced, I want a burger. Or you're at a nice restaurant with friends. Everyone's ordering confidently, or you sit there hoping someone will order for you. The embarrassment, the frustration, it ends today. Get ready, because this is going to be epic. Day 5 is all about food confidence, because eating is universal, and you deserve to express exactly what you want, how you want it. Here's our game plan. We'll kick off with 40 golden sentences that cover every single food situation you'll ever encounter, from fast food joints to fancy restaurants, from coffee shops to delivery apps. But here's the best part. By the end of this lesson, through our dialogue practice, you'll have mastered over 100 essential phrases for ordering food. That's right, 100 phrases that will make you sound natural and confident anywhere. Are you ready to never point at a menu again? Let's transform your food ordering game right now. Here are your 40 golden sentences. I'll say each one 3 times. Natural speed, slow speed, then natural again. Repeat after each one. Arriving and getting seated. 1. Hi, table for 2, please. 2. Do you have any tables available? 3. We don't have a reservation. 4. Could we sit by the window? 5. How long is the wait? 6. Would like a booth, please. 7. Is there outdoor seating? 8. A table near the back, please. Menu. Questions. 1. What do you recommend? 2. What's the most popular dish? 3. What comes with this dish? 4. How big is the portion? 5. Is this dish spicy? 6. Does this have nuts in it? 7. Can I see the wine list? 8. Do you have any vegetarian options? Making orders. 1. I'll have the chicken pasta. 2. Can I get the salmon, please? 3. I'd like to order the steak. 4. We'll share the appetizer. 5. I'll start with the soup. 6. For my main course, I'll have. 7. Could I get that medium rare? 8. Can I substitute the fries? 9. I'd like the dressing on the side. 10. No onions, please. 11. Extra cheese, please. 12. Can I get that to go? 13. I'll have a Coke, please. 14. Just water for me. 15. Can I get a refill? 16. I'll have the coffee. 17. What kind of tea do you have? 18. I'll try the house wine. Payment and ending 1. Can I get the check, please? 2. We'll pay together. 3. Separate checks, please. 4. Can I pay with card? 5. The food was delicious. 6. Thank you for everything. Perfect. Now, let's put these into action. My friend Mark is here to help. He'll be the customer, and I'll be the server. Shadow along with us. Speak both parts out loud. Scenario 1. Casual restaurant. Mark orders lunch. William, server. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunset Cafe. How many in your party today? Mark, customer. Hi, table for 1, please. William, of course. Right this way. Here's your menu. Can I start you off with something to drink? Mark, can I see the menu first? What do you recommend? William, our chicken sandwich is really popular, and the Caesar salad is fresh today. What kind of flavors do you usually enjoy? Mark, I'll have the chicken sandwich. What comes with this dish? William, it comes with fries and a pickle. Would you like to substitute anything? Mark, can I substitute the fries? Maybe get side salad instead? William, absolutely. And how would you like that chicken cooked? Mark, medium, please, and I'll have a Coke to drink. William, perfect. Medium chicken sandwich with side salad and a Coke. Anything else? Mark, though onions, please. And can I get the dressing on the side? William, no problem at all. I'll get that order in for you. Mark, thank you so much. See how natural that felt? You're using real sentences in real situations. Scenario 2. Fast food drive-through. William, Server, welcome to Burger Palace. What can I get for you today? Mark, customer, hi, I'll have the number 2 combo, please. William, what size would you like that? Mark, large, please. William, what to drink with that? Mark, I'll have a Coke, please. William, can I get that to go? William, sure. Anything else? William, extra cheese, please. William, how much is that? That'll be 50 cents extra. Your total is $12.50. Please drive up to the next window. Mark, thank you. You just mastered the fast-paced drive-thru. You stayed calm, answered clearly, and even asked about pricing. That's real confidence. Scenario 3. Food delivery order. William, this is Tony's Pizza. How can I help you? Mark, customer. Hi, I'd like to place a delivery order, please. William, sure. What's your address? Mark, it's 123 Main Street, apartment 4B. William, great. What can I get for you today? Mark, I'll have a large pepperoni pizza, please. How long will that take? William, about 30 minutes. Anything else? Mark, can I add extra cheese? And I'll pay with card. William, perfect. Your total is $18.50. I'll need to take your card information for payment. Mark, sure. What do you need? William, can I get your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back? Mark, it's 5432-1234-5678-9012. Expires December 26th, and the security code is 123. William, great. And can I get the name on the card? Mark, Emma Johnson. William, perfect. Your payment went through. Your order will be delivered in 30 minutes. Mark, thank you so much. Phone ordering is tricky, but you handled it with total confidence. That's real progress. Now for your real-world challenge. Your mission. Choose your level. Beginner level. Practice 10 phrases while making breakfast. Use 3 sentences when ordering coffee today. I'm ready! Below intermediate level. Order lunch using 5 golden sentences. Ask 1 question about the menu. Record yourself ordering. Voice memo. Comment. Level up! Below advanced level. Go to a new restaurant you've never tried. Use 10+ sentences from today's lesson. Engage in small talk with the server. Comment. Food confidence unlocked! Below. Remember, every interaction is practice. Every order builds confidence. Every meal is a chance to use your English naturally. You're not just learning phrases. You're building the confidence to enjoy dining experiences fully, to connect with people, and to explore new foods without fear. By day 30, you'll be that person who walks into any restaurant with complete confidence, orders exactly what you want, and enjoys every moment. The transformation is happening right now. I can see it in your practice. I can hear it in your voice. Comment. I'm ready to order with confidence! If you're excited to use these phrases, comment, I'm nervous, but I'll try. If you need extra encouragement, either way, we're here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next episode, where we'll tackle another essential life situation with the same confidence-building approach. Your English transformation continues. Keep crushing it. Thanks for watching.